Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a walkthrough of KidZania Frisco, a mini city where kids get to roleplay real world jobs and have an amazing time. Let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna go to the KidZania website, and then once you enter, it would give you down below the tickets. So here, babies are for free, toddlers are $16.95. Kids that are 4 to 14, they're $49.95, and adults, they're $16.95. So to purchase the tickets, you would click here, get tickets. And then here, you're gonna have option of to enter the dates if you know exactly when you'll be going. So you would enter it here, like select the date that you would like, and then the number of people that are going, and then you do continue. But if you're not sure, there's an option here that says open dates tickets. If you click here, they would give you a ticket valid for 60 days with no specific dates. Not applicable for field trip days. So I would say if you're not sure, maybe get this one to play it safe. But if you know the date you're going, it's here. You do dated and then you click where you want to go. So let's say you want to go on the 15th March. You would enter it there. It opens from noon until 7 p.m. So maybe I would say like when they open at noon, it gets pretty busy. So maybe be there on time, and because first come, first serve. When you get there at the check-in, there's kind of like kiosks, and you go there and you pre-register your kiddos for the activity that they want to do, because there is like a chobani activity for the yogurts. There is also a pizza activity. I believe there is like another activity, maybe like art or something. So first come, first serve. You have to pre-register in advance, and then they would give you a ticket with the time and the starting time and the ending. Each activity, I believe it finishes every 20 minutes. So when you enter the dates, you would enter the adults going with the kids, and the kids going, let's say just one for now, and then you do continue. Here they give you options. So either you click a comfort pass, which is $50 per kid, and for each activity you pay extra. But if you get the business class, it comes with dedicated check-in line at the KidZania airport, reserved bakery activity, one free drink for a kid. Adults get a free drink as well, but if you pay $8 extra for the first class, kids get two premium activities, the Pie 5 pizza and also the yogurt chobani, one free drink, and one free drink for adults. And also you get like a temporary park exit. Now let's take a quick look at the KidZania map. As you can see, it's designed like a real city with different job stations. There's a fire station, hospital, TV studio, and even a mini airport. Kids can role play as firefighters, doctors, chiefs, pilots, and more. They'll also earn KidZos, which is KidZania currency, by completing jobs, and they can spend them inside KidZania or save them for future visits. Alright, now we know how to book tickets and what to expect. Let's take a walk inside KidZania Frisco. I recorded a full tour to give you a closer look at all the fun activities your kids can try. Let's go.
So if you want to be faster, push it forwards. If you want to slow down, pull it backwards. For your handles, whenever you're trying to get in the air, you're going to gently pull towards you and your plane's going to fly up. When you push it forwards, your plane will go down, okay? So make sure you don't do it too rough or else your plane might crash, okay? That doesn't really do anything. The only thing that helps on here that really works is this one. What is just decoration right now. You guys have any other questions? Can you go see the screen and you can see it? I can see it.
That's it for today's video. Now you know what to expect when you visit KidZania Frisco. I hope this helps makes your trip easy and fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.